everyone, I am Rupali Kohal. I am working as an assistant professor in ISFCP College of Pharmacy. Today we will study Organic Chemistry 3, and the very important topic from the Organic Chemistry 3 is Paal-Knorr synthesis. We will have emphasis on chemical reaction for Paal-Knorr synthesis and its reaction mechanism. Here we can see that in the chemical reaction of Paal-Knorr synthesis, hexane 2,5-dione, it is having two keto groups. Hexane 2,5-dione is reacting with ammonia, or we can also use primary amine here. It's leading toward the formation of a substituted pyrrole, and the name of the substituted pyrrole is 2,5-dimethyl pyrrole, along with the removal of two molecules of water. Moving on to the reaction mechanism, here we can see that hexane 2,5-dione is here, as it is having two carbonyl groups. Out of carbon and oxygen is found to be more electronegative, so it is having tendency to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. As oxygen is attracting electron towards itself, so carbon is having partially positive charge and oxygen is developing partially negative charge. Due to this charge development, the lone pair that is present on ammonia is going to attack on this carbon, due to which this intermediate is forming here. Here we can see that nitrogen is now having a positive charge because it has utilized its lone pair in making a carbon-nitrogen bond. Now, in order to fulfill the valency, or in order to satisfy the lone pair requirement of nitrogen, here hydrogen will transfer its bond to nitrogen and remain in the medium as H+. And this H+ is abstracted by this O negative, leading toward the formation of this intermediate. Now, after that, again the attack of lone pair occurs here. Nitrogen's lone pair, second lone pair, is going to attack on this carbon because it is developing partially positive charge here and it is having partially negative charge here. Now, carbon-nitrogen bond is forming here and the ring is being now closed. Here you can see the hexane 2,5-dione, the ring is open, but in this side the ring is now closed. Again, to fulfill the valency or to fulfill the lone pair requirement of nitrogen, this bond is transferred towards this nitrogen, and this H+ that is created in the medium is abstracted by this oxygen. Now we are having OH here and OH at this carbon also. Both the position are having OH. So OH from this position and H from this carbon. Similarly, OH from this carbon and H from this carbon will remove from the medium in the form of 2H2O, which is ultimately leading to the formation of substituted pyrrole. And the name of this substituted pyrrole is 2,5-dimethyl pyrrole. This is a very important topic for the 4th semester students in the subject Organic Chemistry 3. I hope you understand. Thank you so much, everyone.